Today is Saturday, October 1. Yeah. And I'm going to harvest some of these greens. Yeah, y'all. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to cook it. So, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So I'm gonna get some leaves from everybody. Everybody gonna contribute to this first to this first meal I'm gonna prepare here today, baby. Yes. Everybody gonna contribute. The kohlrabi's gonna contribute. Yeah, baby. Look, she's saying, yeah, okay, take me. Okay. Got you, girl. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's just beautiful. Just another beautiful day God has blessed us with here. And I'm glad about it. I'm glad about it. Yes, I'm glad I'm here to witness it. Yeah. But I hope all is well. I have been cleaning more and more. Oh, wow. Anyway, I've been cleaning more and more of my grow bags, and what I've decided to do is I'm going to clean a lot of them, but I'm not going to use them for this fall gardening season. Not all of them, not many of them. Some I will, but many of them, the bulk, I will not. May I have some of your leaves, baby? Yeah, I'm just going to just clean them up really well. I'm gonna fertilize them, and I'm gonna have them sitting in an area in my garden where, you know, they will not be bothering anybody. Nobody will be bothering them. But I will not be using them for this fall season. Yeah. I know I took 2 of her leaves, but I'm taking another one. So I'm gonna get some of these leaves. Yeah. So I'm gonna cook some cornbread. And I have some fish in my freezer. Probably wanted some fish, but I don't think I'm gonna do fish today. No, I'm not gonna do any fish. Maybe. Well, it's either chicken or fish, right? But what I think I could have some turkey. Yeah, I could have some turkey. And I do have like some turkey breasts in the freezer. Let me get a little turkey breast out the freezer. I gotta do that once I get my mind made up, because I'm really not sure of what I really want to do. But we know one thing is for sure. These will be the main menu. Be the main dish here today, baby. Yeah, all these babies. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, she has some huge leaves on her. So I'm gonna get about 4 or 5 of them. That'd be enough for me to eat, I tell you. Her leaves are huge. I just don't want to see a frog. Alright, so I'm going to wash these greens. Oh, that was just lemon juice. That's all. Lemon juice. And now I'm going to put all my greens in this sink. Yeah. Let me do that, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to fill it up with water. And I'm going to clean it. Then I'm going to take them off the stem. And I'm going to clean it again. Yeah. And then we'll put them up there. We'll put them in my, we're going to cook it today in my Instapot. I'll share. Yeah. I'm going to let that run. So there she is. We're going to cook it in my Instapot. So I'm going to get her plugged up on the other side, on the other counter, and get her prepared. All right, family. So this is my Instapot, and this is turkey wings and turkey necks. I have some onion and garlic in there. And now I'm just going to stuff my greens in there. All right? Give me a minute. All right. I seasoned it up really well. And this, oh, it's hot. Shucks. This is the turkey broth. This is just broth from the turkey. And I just poured that in there. And I'm going to set it for 30 minutes, I guess. 30 minutes. We'll see. Here we go. So I'm setting it now. It's set for 30 minutes, but of course it got the preheat and all this other good stuff. And then it will take its 30 minutes and do its thing. And I'll be back then. Okay. All right. All right now. That is my cornbread. She going in the oven. All right, we have 3 minutes to go. Three. All right, I'll be back, guys. So now I'm just releasing the steam because she's off. I'll be back when she stops whistling. All right, guys. All right. Boom. Boy. Wait a minute, y'all. All right. So, it's juicy in there. Yeah. Oh, the meat is nice and tender. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Let's see how she tastes. All right, guys, that's it. So this is my first harvest of greens for this season. This Saturday, October 1st. So this is my very first time cooking greens in my Instapot, and it will not be the last. It was easy, it was quick, it was wonderful. My meal is delicious. But I gotta give thanks to Chris and Cheryl from Backyard Roots Homestead. Yes, because they gifted me this beautiful Instapot. I'm going to make a lot of meals with it. And I want to thank you, Chris and Cheryl. Thank you so much. Yeah, I love it. For one thing, the flavor is there, baby. It's on point. And Crystal. All right, guys. You all have a wonderful night. My mouth is full. Have a wonderful night. I thank you all for hanging out. Me and the Instapot doing the darn thing. Later, y'all.